Hello students, in our today's English class, we will learn the use of a and the. A and the are called articles. We know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. They are A, B, C till Z. Till Z we have 26 letters. Out of these 26 letters, we have 5 vowel sound letters. What are the vowel sound letters? They are A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowel letters. And the remaining letters, that are B, C, D, F and so on. The remaining 21 letters are the consonants, are called consonants. Okay, so there are 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. Which are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Now, what is the concept behind this? We use A before a word that begins with a consonant letter. Okay, like we have dash mango, suppose this sentence we have dash mango is yellow in color. Now before it, what we will use, A or N? First of all, you check that the first letter of the word is a vowel or a consonant. It's M and M is a consonant. So before it, what we will use, A or N? For a word that begins with a consonant letter, we use A. Okay, and if suppose there would be any word that begins with a vowel sound letter, like dash suppose this is the sentence, dash apple is very healthy. So here the word just after the blank, it has A in this as the first letter. Okay, it begins with the A letter and A is a vowel. So we will use N before this word. It will become an apple is very healthy. Alright, so you have to be careful about the first letter of the word that is after the blank. Okay, in which you have to fill A or N. Now we have learned the use of A and N. We use A or N with any person, place or thing. Okay, like a girl, a boy, an apple. Okay, now we use the for any definite place or thing. Any definite place, animal or thing. Like here, I have listed Taj Mahal, Gita, Earth, Sun, or let's take Ganga. You notice that these are some definite things, definite place or particular or unique things. Fine. So that's why we will use the before such definite place or thing. One rule is this, it's never a sun, because sun is already 1 in number. There are not any plural of sun. Okay, so that's why we will use the before it. The Taj Mahal, the Gita, the Earth, the Ganga. Okay, so we use the before the name of any particular place or thing. One rule is this. Second rule of using the is that we use the with anything that is repeating. Any word, before any word that is repeating. Like, I have a bicycle. The bicycle is red in color. In first sentence, I am explaining or I am telling that I have a bicycle. Now in second sentence I am saying the bicycle, so I am talking about the same bicycle. Okay, if we talk about the same thing twice or thrice, then in place of a or n we use the. Now here in first sentence we said spider made a web on the wall. Okay, so here we are talking about web. Here at first we say that spider has made a web. In second sentence we are talking about the same web. Okay, so we are using the word twice. So in the second time we will use the before such words. I hope it is clear. And let's take more example. I have a pencil box in my bag. The pencil box is too big. That if we are using the same word or we are talking about the same thing twice, then in the second time or third time we will use the before it. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. It will be more clear to you when you will practice the book exercises and some more extra exercises like keep dash window of your room closed. Now this is very obvious that the window may be 1 or 2 in number. Okay, but here we are talking about the definite window. Keep, get it, keep dash window of your room close. Keep dash window of your room close. Here what we will use? We will use the. Why? Because window is definite or particular window we are talking about. That's why we are using the. Okay, so we will practice, we will do more practice of use of the, and if you have any query then you can write to me. Thank you.